Hey penny pinchers, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having an amazing day. This is your glamorous penny pincher Shalomi, and today I want to share this DIY that I did on these pillow covers with you. Look how beautiful they are. If you want to see how I accomplished this look, stay tuned. So I've been trying to find some blue pillows for a while, but just couldn't find anything that I really liked. I went to Hobby Lobby over the weekend and found this cushion cover or pillow cover for $9.99 and decided to give it a try. It still wasn't exactly what I wanted, but I figured I could do something with it. I like the pattern that it has and figured, well, you know what? I will try my hand at embellishing it some way, somehow. After that, I went to one of my local stores in my area and found this color blue, which is absolutely beautiful. Two in a pack for $7. Very plain, nothing to it, but I really like it. It comes packaged like this, and again, it was two in the pack for $7. So in thinking about it, I decided to use this placemat that I've had for a while. I think I have two of them just sitting around somewhere, and I decided that I'm going to use it as a pattern to put on this pillow. Okay, so we'll start with the first pillow cover, and what I'll be doing is using my rose patterned bling wrap in gold to add some embellishments to this pillow cover. And what I'll be doing is just tracing the pattern that's already on there. So I'll use the bling wrap and just go over the patterns using my hot glue gun. So I'll be placing this piece of cardboard that came out of the packaging inside the pillow just to protect the glue from sticking onto the other side. And as I work my way around, I will move the cardboard around as I go. You can use whatever you like just to make sure that the glue does not stick to the other side of the pillow cover. I'll be using my Gorilla Sticks for this project. And here it is, after I've added all the bling to all the curves, up and down, the slopes. I think it turned out really beautiful, and I cannot wait to put a pillow inside of it and show you what it looks like in its completed state. Leave me a comment in the comment section below and let me know what you think. And now we're on to pillow number 2. This is what the placemat looks like after I spray painted it gold using this Rust-Oleum metallic spray paint. I love using it. It is so rich and it dries quickly. And I'm just going to adhere it to the pillow cover using my hot glue gun, of course. So let's get started. Again, I'll be using the cardboard to insert it inside of the pillow cover to ensure that the glue does not seep through to the other side and cause a big mess. So again, I'll be moving it all the way around the pillow cover as much as I am adding the glue. So here I'm just flipping it upside down, and I'm going to start gluing from the very center. So I add my glue in the center of it. After which I will flip it over and find the very center of the pillow cover to make sure that it is even. And here it is after it has been added, securely adhered. I think it looks beautiful. I just love the way the blue looks with this gold. It just looks so amazing. I will also be adding some bling to this just on the very edges of the placemat itself, just to kind of create a border going all the way around and to kind of spruce it up a little bit using, of course, my hot glue gun. And here it is after adding the border. I think this project is coming on really great. I think it looks beautiful. The extra embellishment just kind of picks it up a little bit, and I love the way the patterns are working off of each other. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay, to complete the look, I'll be adding this brooch that I've had for a while. I just used the scissors and popped the pin from the back of it to make it flat, and I'll be adding it to the center just to kind of bring the whole thing together. So of course I'm adding the hot glue to the very back of that onto the edges of it, and I'm just going to sit it right in the center of this pillow cover to complete the look. And there it is. Absolutely gorgeous. I think it turned out great. Let me know what you guys think. And here you are, my penny pinchers. They are displayed very beautifully on my sofa. One thing that I did, I added an extra row of bling around the border for that extra something something, and I think it looks great. As always, thank you so much for watching. If this is your first time seeing my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I would love for you to become a part of the Penny Pincher family by hitting the subscribe button below. And to all my lovely penny pinchers, you know I love you guys. Thank you so much, and until the next video, this is your Glamorous Penny Pincher Shalom is saying, love you, love you, love you. Bye-bye.